Hello, my name is Debbie Reynolds. They call me the Data Diva. Today, I want to talk about data privacy, AI, and deception. So, there has been a lot of talk about AI agents, autonomous systems, agentic AI. We saw recently with Mythos with Anthropic talking about the scary capabilities that these AI systems can have, even overpowering the systems that are meant to contain them in some ways. And so when I hear talk at like that, when we talk about the word deception, I think of it differently because, in my view, deception really is a human interpretation of an action that a computer system can take. So, computer systems are not human and they do not act or behave in human terms. So, AI system is goal oriented, and so if it has a goal, it will try to do whatever it takes to achieve the goal based on the capacity, capability, and boundaries that they have. And so we're seeing tools or agentic agents either break out of boundaries, like having an agent break out of a sandbox. Or a couple of years ago, there was a situation where someone was in the military or the government was doing a simulation where they had a AI system powering a airplane on a mission, and when the human operator told it to quit its mission, it said that it was going to have to eliminate the person that gave that edict because they were interrupting or interfering with the mission. So I say this because it's very important when we're thinking about AI systems, designing, working with AI systems, and we're getting into a situation where the boundaries are not clear, the instructions are not clear, and then we're thinking of it in a human sense. We're not really thinking about how data systems really work, and that could be a huge problem, especially as it becomes comes to especially as it relates to privacy and data privacy. So we're talking about systems that can take actions and not just identify information, but take actions autonomously at scale. And when people's personal data is involved or intertwined in this can create harm at scale. And so I think we need to think about the boundaries, whatever guardrails there are, then also how these things can impact people in not just positive ways. Obviously, these agents can do tremendous things, but also thinking about the like I say, technology is a double edged sword. So thinking about not just the good ways, but ways to do it in a way or ways to implement technology in ways that don't create harm that we cannot answer or we cannot turn back from. So it remains to be seen what we'll see more with AI agents. And obviously, so many companies are really pushing this. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with AI agents. Nothing wrong with technological innovations. But for them to be long lasting and helpful and trustful, we have to make sure that we're not creating capabilities that go beyond our control or doing things that we wouldn't want them to do. That's it. Thank you.